Honorable Gunaya, Deputy Speaker, House of Reps, Abuja, still from Abia State. Nnamdi Kanu, Abia State. Why are you guys quiet? Everybody's just thinking of second tenor, 2027, 2027. No problem. You're already in the winning party. You go win. How about your brother that has been languishing for years? Your brother has been languishing for years. You have access to President Tinubu. You have access to Sheyi Tinubu, the son of the governor of the president.
Hello my fellow Biafrans, I'm back again. But before I say anything concerning this particular video, my brother, my sister, there is fire on the mountain. There is fire on the mountain. A lot is about to happen. So, but just take some of your time and watch this particular video. As you watch this video now, do not forget to share so that all the Igbo billionaires will also get to see this particular video, because this man that people are seeing on my screen like this talk a lot about our leader Nnamdi Kanu and what will happen on the 20th of November 2025. So stay tuned and hear from him, and do not forget to share so that our governors need to do something concerning this particular matter. Share this video and remain blessed.
Obone bụ nwafọ Igbo. Ihe a na-akwado ime 20th of November adị chugura. Atin ka nchetara gị that on the 20th of November, Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ka ga-amụ ya ikpe. The verdict is going to be on the 20th of November. Just 2 days from now. What if the judgment goes against him? What will you do? Those days, we had Igbo politicians that were interested in the well-being of Southeast. Odumegwu Ojukwu had issues. Dim Ikemba Odumegwu Ojukwu, he had issues then. Southeast politicians rallied around, negotiated with government. He came back after spending about 12 years in Ivory Coast. Some other parts of Nigeria have had issues like this. The Yorubas had issues like this. Son Igbo, Yoruba elders came together, went to federal government, and they were able to bring back Son Igbo. The same thing with Niger Delta. We know the story. I don't want to talk of Northerners, where they negotiate with bandits. There was a video that trended yesterday of peace. Every week, there is like 1 or 2 peacekeeping missions between governments and bandits, terrorists. That's why Donald Trump is interested. He's bothered about what is happening. This is not about Donald Trump, though. Why can't Southeast politicians, governors, senators, House of Reps go to President Tinubu and discuss? I know that Nnamdi Kanu has made mistakes in some of his utterances. Politicians too. Some of you guys have even made worse mistakes than Nnamdi Kanu. But you guys are in power. Everybody is thinking of second term, 2027. We know very well that Anambra State Governor Soludo is in Abga in Anambra State, but he's in APC in Abuja. We understand. The governor of Enugu State, Barrister Peter Mba, APC. Honorable Nwefuru, Ebonyi State, APC. Governor Hope Uzodimma, Imo State, APC. Governor Alex Uti, Abia State. Only God knows the man future, but Korais is Labour Party. Right Honorable Gunaya, Deputy Speaker, House of Reps, Abuja, still from Abia State. Nnamdi Kanu, Abia State. Why are you guys quiet? Everybody's just thinking of second tenor, 2027. No problem. You're already in the winning party. You go win. How about your brother that has been languishing for years? Your brother has been languishing for years. You have access to President Tinubu. You have access to Sheyi Tinubu, the son of the governor of the president. You have access to the president's wife, Remi Tinubu, Senator Remi Tinubu. You have access to them. You guys just go do birthday, do celebration, and go home. And your brother is in prison for something that you can appeal and he will be out. Why don't you negotiate on his behalf? As I speak right now, 95% of Igbos are interested in Maazị Nnamdi Kanu coming out. 20th of October, we're in Abuja. I was there for a peaceful protest with Omoyele Sowore, with tear gassing and everything. I was there. And for the past 1 month, my display picture on my social media channels, Facebook, my 2 pages, has been free Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, because this thing bothers me. It has been there till date. This is the first time I'm keeping someone else's picture on my background picture for a month. It has never happened once, but I'm interested in it because here maybe na Igbo. You run away, Bapuna Begi, you run from Anambra, Imo, Ebonyi, Enugu, Abia, you run to Lagos, you run to Abuja, you run to outside the country. No problem. How about your house? your children, you don't ship them, go abroad, no problem. And Igbo don't turn to burial ground where they only come to bury people. Development have left because of problem in Southeast, primarily caused by the arrest of Nnamdi Kanu. Why can't the Southeast politicians do something? Because only if you do something. I'm saying my mind. I have a platform. Thank God for that. But I don't have access to the presidency. These guys have access to the presidency. What are they doing about it? 2019, they brought Nnamdi Kanu to Enugu for negotiation. Nnamdi Kanu just said, do 3 things for me, then we can start negotiation. Number 1, plant a seaport in Anambra State. Number 2, construct the second Niger Bridge. Number 3, he requested for 2 seaports, second Niger Bridge, and to make Enugu Airport an international airport. Enugu Airport and international airport. All these requests is not about Nnamdi Kanu. If you observe, this request is for the Odemwandi Igbo. Everybody is just thinking of second tenor, second tenor, second tenor, second tenor. And then maybe Igbo every day. So, unuche, that by 2027, Tinubu poor, only Baburu president, or nature. Not possible. Mark a date that. Tinubu poor no chichi, only outside they take over again. They write it down. When Tinubu is done, 2031 or 2027, when you got back onye good day and akoko debi oboro Igbo. So all these fake promises and fake propaganda and fake hope that is making you ignore your brother. Oga walk, Bikono, go and appeal to President Tinubu. Because if anything happens to Nnamdi Kanu on the 20th of November negatively, more problem will be in Southeast. I'm not preaching negativity, but I'm telling you what I'm saying. The governor of Enugu State now, and he's in Abuja in the state now, national assignment, trying to fix a police station all over Nigeria. So that's okay. How charity begins at home. You cannot be good outside and you ignore Nnamdi Kanu, your brother. Your brother. Of course, most of his modalities and functionalities, I condemn it. But right now, let's focus on, because sometimes you can have good intentions, but some of your applications is wrong. I'm focusing on the intentions now for the betterment of Umu Igbo. As in continue no kwa. Onye mara eso aso nodo. Memo ha aso eso nana. Odoro too far again. We all live and go to see what's going to happen. If you like be governor for 20 years, 30 years, what next? How about your brother? If you sell your brother off because of political career, even the person that bought your brother will not trust you. If you sell your brother, onye re 1 year, maka ego, maka ọchịchị, maka akụnụba, onye ahụ go 1 nege n'aka gị, aka atụkwasa gị obi. You go to use long spoon, they follow you, because if you can sell your brother, you can sell him. Share this video and tag the necessary authorities. Happy New Week. Because today na Monday, and most Southeast states now, no day stable. Sit at home. Nnamdi Kanu.
Ibro Igbo, Mareka de joke and open mano. You are a bizagon. You are a fool. Ebo wa toro. Ebo wa jai. Ebo ekwensu. They don't make all Igbo. Ebo wa Osaka. Onye riri. Ebo da jego. Ije so gasi. No ka Yoruba. You are a tout. You are a bizagon. No matter your holiness and sanctification, you are a fool. You are not wanting to call an Igbo man. When I was in Dubai, over a story, I call them, so they had mentioned that no Igbo but a regime na UAE. But there was no member. Only build member. People be back, okay. They grow and went massive crowd. They down go to headquarters. They will put you by. As so you see what church na UAE. Where there another state that about Rakasaima. You know UAE have 7 states. Rakasaima about another state. Arab das know how about the poor. Man had the poor. Ndị Igbo si Dubai na Sharjah na Abu Dhabi na Joka na Rakasaima. Dekwa akwụkwọ again wepụtakwa onye Igbo ahụ maka na ha grow member sikwa Yoruba. Agwa ndị na politics dị n'ụka karịrị politics dị na political party. Politics nọ n'ụka karịrị politics dị na gịnị dị na political party. Today, one idiot a na-akpọ Ayomidele ka primitive Ayomide pụta wee bụrụ na ndị Igbo bụ fool. Ndị Igbo dịrị nke a na ndị Igbo problem of Nigeria. N'ụdị na ndị Igbo na-ebute Boko Haram a na-agba egbe steady Ndị Igbo bụ nation builder. No state in Nigeria onye Igbo na-anọ, and any place you find an Igbo man, you must find an estate. Any state you found an Igbo man, there must be an estate there. Tell me an Hausa man, the Fulani man, or even a FM man, they're going to label real estate. Yeah, as not a real estate. A Yoruba man cannot do real estate. An Hausa man cannot do real estate in a label. But Igbo man can come to Lagos, anywhere in Yoruba land, do real estate, develop. Igbo man can come to Abuja, develop. Without Igbo man, there will be nothing like Abuja. The highest estate developer in Abuja is Adoni Igbo, Anambra State. I don't want to mention his name for political and the security reason. The highest developer in Abuja metropolis, Boni Igbo. The highest one that owns the highest estate in Abuja, Boni Igbo. Number 1, number 2, number 3. Without an Igbo man, there will be nothing like Abuja as a whole. Somebody and more primitive, primate, go about Choro, without saying Nibo. And you, as a person, I stopped going to deeper life because of their wuru. Yes, let me talk about. I was born in Catholic, but my father built deeper life. Hazard is to go deeper life. But I stopped going to deeper life because of getting the owner and the founder of Deeper Life, all of them had the selfish. As an Igbo man, they will put you as a headquarter, as a regional pastor, as a general, as a local government pastor, because you are an Igbo man. They will put you as a state overseer, regional overseer, as an Igbo man. When you begin to put crowd, they will remove you and put a Yoruba person. And then they read the name of Jesus Christ. And they want to go to heaven and you carry your money. My mother served as a civil servant for 35 years. Before she died, she attended Deeper Life no less than 25 years. And out of that 25 years, when she died, it was only 15,000. They came for burial. For burial. Came to bury my mother burial. My mother sowed seed for 25 years. There is no month my mother did not sow seed. All those things made to help one Oka. Oka ndi Yoruba we kwensu. Yoruba church na devilish church. I don't be attend. I rather be attending on Oka Odumeje. I am comfortable with Odumeje church. I am comfortable with Ebukobi church. I am comfortable with Mbaka. I'm gonna have him, man don't need him. If they want to chop me, may then chop me. I'm gonna say that Igbo man chop me. I'm comfortable with the Lazarus Moka. I'm comfortable with any Igbo man in a church. Oh, but really see him. It's better that Igbo man chop me than only outside hear him for no reason. Come to Igbo land now. When any Yoruba church, only Igbo the head, answer is no. But on the Igbo kind of majority, even at the deal, the Igbo highest, even winners, the Igbo highest, Cancer Embassy, Igbo highest, Deeper Life, Igbo highest, name them. When a church only Igbo have highest, and tomorrow, after you hustle and toil, at the end of the day, you carry your money, go to their pocket and sow. So to a pocket that will hit. That is against your religion, that is against your tribe, that is against your freedom. And tomorrow, you know where you are going, you are not going to heaven. Then I got to the heaven club, not to heaven. In a church. No, Yoruba. Edmond she property on Igbo. The Yoruba pastor cannot speak. Okay, maybe then Igbo, or maybe but now you go to president. If an Igbo man comes to today to contest for the presidency, if you say church, you have to fight bear to Igbo Areche. I don't blame the church. I blame you, the follower. That is a fool. I call you fool face to face. You are a born fool. na-eji ụkọ efe mmanụ atụrụ nwa bizagon. Come on, get out of my side.